Today we're making street corn chicken bowls. Bold skillet flavors, neon sweetness, and a crema that steals the show.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. To start, you're going to need 4 chicken thighs, or you can use chicken breast if you prefer.
You want to trim excess fat and cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces. Make sure to pat dry after rinsing. Place in a bowl or Ziploc bag for easy cleanup. Drizzle with a little avocado oil. The oil helps spices stick and sizzle better. For the dry rub, add half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon oregano, half tablespoon smoked paprika, and half tablespoon of chili powder. Now squeeze 1 lime over the mix. Seal the bag and massage until the chicken is evenly coated.
We're going to set these aside and let them marinate for about 30 minutes or until we're done preparing the rest.
For our veggies, we'll be chopping 1/4 red onion. I'm using a chopper to speed things up. I'll post the link in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. You'll need a red and green bell pepper, about half a pepper of each. You'll also need 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to press mine with a garlic press. Then I'll chop 1 bush of cilantro. In a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once hot, add the marinated chicken bites. Spread out in a single layer and season with salt and pepper. Cook about 3 minutes per side or until the chicken is cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Once done, remove to a plate and set aside. Wipe the pan clean and add about 1 tablespoon of oil and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. That's half a stick. Once melted, add a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. I typically roast fresh corn from the cob, but off-season frozen corn does the trick too. Stir in red onions and bell peppers. Mix until nicely caramelized. Now add pressed garlic to the corn and mix for 30 seconds. Stir in 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon oregano. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then mix well about a minute to wake up the flavors. Next, add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of Mexican Crema, the table cream. I typically don't add sour cream, but today we'll give it a try. I'm adding 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix on low heat to keep it smooth. Top the corn with 1/4 cup of grated cotija cheese, then sprinkle a pinch of chili powder and adjust salt and pepper as needed. This is optional, but a touch of margarine gives it that authentic topping. Next, top with cilantro, then squeeze in half a lime and mix well to brighten. To plate, we'll start with a bed of white rice, add the chicken and the street corn. Now drizzle my delicious avocado cilantro lime dressing over the chicken, recipe below, or you can use a store-bought one. Finish the corn with more crema, cotija cheese, cilantro, and a dusting of tajin. You can also add avocado slices and tortilla strips to your bowl for crunch. This dish is a flavor slam. It's so delicious and also perfect for meal prep.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!